Hi, this is Robert Robles, attorney for U.S. Law Shield in Oklahoma, and I'd like to talk to you today about employee gun rights. And one of the questions is, can an employer legally forbid an employee from having a gun in the workplace? The simple answer is yes. The employer, however, cannot forbid an employee from having a firearm or gun in his locked car when the car is parked in a designated employee parking lot. Now, the employer can restrict the employee from carrying a firearm in a company vehicle, and if there's a violation detected of this policy by the employer, he could fire the employee. The employer typically has to give notice of these firearm policies in either the employer-employee handbook or by simple signs that are placed on the job site. Now then, there are no legal consequences for violating the company policy other than being fired, but if an employee should bring his firearm to work, he could then be forcibly removed as a trespasser. There is no employer liability for policies restricting firearms on the job. And so if an employee should be injured by an attacker while on the job and the employee does not have his firearm handy due to company policies restricting a firearm possession by an employee on the job, the employee would not be able to sue the employer for that fact. There may be other violations or other reasons that an employee might be able to sue his employer, but that's not one of them.